In this video, we're discussing how to edit member personal details. First, we'll go to the Members section and click on Edit Personal Detail. When the interface opens, we'll see the Member Manage screen. On this screen, there's a table displaying a list of all members, and at the top, there's a search input field. With this search, we can easily find a specific member by typing their member ID. As soon as we start typing the member ID, the list will appear in black color along with the member's name. We'll select our specific member from here. Then, we'll click on the search button, and our specific member will appear in the table below. Now, let's talk about how we can edit the member's personal details. In the table, there's an action column with a pen icon. We'll click on that icon, and a form will open up, similar to the Add Member form. Here, we can make any changes to the member's details. After making the changes, we'll scroll down to find a select field in the Reason for Changing Membership as section. From here, we'll choose a specific reason for the change. Finally, when we submit the form, the member's personal details will be updated.